In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Presto card in Canada. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to set up and use a Presto card in Canada is to visit their website. Alternatively, you can also download their mobile app. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set it up through their website at prestocard.ca. In here, you will find all the information that you need to sign up and start using a Presto card in Canada. As you can see, when you arrive at this page, you will find all the information necessary. You can access the menu by tapping on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and learn more if you wish. But for the most part, all that you have to do to actually apply for a Presto card is to use this option on the home screen. I am new to Presto. Immediately upon selecting this, you will get 4 options, and what you have to do if you don't already have a Presto card is to use the Get a Card option. If you wish to learn more about Presto and how it works, tap the first option instead and read through the documentation in here. It should be very simple, but maybe you want to learn more and understand if there are any possible fees or prices. After you are done reading through this, like I said, use the Get a Card option. This will redirect you to a page that has all the required information for you to purchase one of these Presto cards and use them in Canada. You have plenty of locations where you can acquire one of these Presto cards. After you buy a Presto card through any of these locations, you will be able to load it up with balance either in there, in store, or through the website after you activate it properly. So all you have to do is tap Learn More under any of the options where you can purchase them and find a location near you where you can acquire one of these cards. To load them up with balance, sign into your account on the website, and after you sign into a pre-existing account, you will have the options to activate the card and load it up with balance as necessary. So use your credentials or the Presto card and sign in on the website once you are ready to use the Presto card in Canada. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Presto card in Canada. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.